Hi, I'm Steve, credit cards writer at Finder.com. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the new Petal 1 no annual fee Visa credit card. The Petal 1 is a brand new card from Petal, a credit card provider dedicated to helping Americans build or rebuild their credit. Now, the original Petal credit card allowed people with no credit history to start building their credit, but it wasn't eligible for those with poor credit. This new Petal 1 credit card extends an olive branch to those with poor credit, allowing both those with less than great credit and no credit history able to apply and qualify for the card. There's a few things we like about the Petal 1 card. First of which is it's open to a wider variety of credit types. If you have less than stellar credit, you can still apply for this card and potentially qualify. Another cool aspect of this card is that it has a higher than average range for your starting credit limit. Like the old Petal card, this card also doesn't have an annual fee, which is always appreciated when you're trying to rebuild your credit. The Petal 1 also reports to all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This is especially important for a credit building card because you want all three of those bureaus to take notice of your strong credit habits. Interestingly, the Petal 1 also earns rewards. It's a rather high amount on select merchants, though the exact details of this rewards program isn't known as of this date. But the Petal 1 has a lot to offer for people needing to build their credit or rebuild their credit, but it's not without a few drawbacks. One of the first downsides is fees. This isn't really unusual for a credit building card, but the original Petal card's selling point was that it had no fees whatsoever, so it's a little disappointing to see that there are a few fees on this card. Namely, you're looking at late payment fees and return payment fees. The Petal 1 also has a slightly higher than average APR, though this is also not unexpected for a credit building card. Finally, the Petal 1 does not offer a standard rewards rate on any purchases. This is not unusual for a credit building card, but there are some secured and credit building cards out there that do offer a modest, flat cashback rate on certain purchases. If you're ready to add the Petal 1 to your wallet, you can do so by checking out our full review. Link to that is in the description below, and clicking Apply Now at the top of the page. If you're on the fence about whether the Petal 1 or the original Petal card is for you, let's take a quick look at how they compare. The original Petal card, which is now known as the Petal 2 Cashback No Fees Visa Credit Card, is the card you'll want if you want cashback and no fees on your card. The Petal 2 is also the card you'll want to apply for if you have no prior credit history. Now, if you have a prior credit history that is poor, then you'll want to apply for the Petal 1. On the whole, the Petal 1 is a great option for those looking to rebuild their credit score. While it's a little disappointing that it features fees, whereas the original Petal card features none, it's still one of the better credit building cards out there, especially considering many require some sort of annual fee or security deposit. You can read our full reviews of the Petal cards and other credit building cards on Finder.com. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button below so you can be the first to know when a new Finder video drops.